Welcome to the UC IPM Maintenance Gardener Pesticide Applicator Exam Preparation course. In California, anyone applying pesticides as part of their job must be certified or supervised by someone who's certified or licensed by the California Department of Pesticide Regulation. This course will help you prepare to be licensed or certified by the California Department of Pesticide Regulation as a pesticide applicator in the subcategory Q. This category is for people who spend most of their time mowing lawns, pruning, planting, or doing other maintenance gardener activities and apply pesticides only occasionally. These two publications will help you prepare for the exam. The Lawn and Residential Landscape Pest Control book is the official study guide for this category. You can purchase this book from the University of California A&R online catalog or from some county University of California cooperative extension offices. The companion workbook may be downloaded for free from the University of California IPM website. It contains practice exercises that will help you prepare. In addition to viewing the 7 training presentations that are part of this course, we recommend you follow these steps to prepare for the exam. First, study the knowledge expectations at the beginning of each chapter of the study guide. The knowledge expectations outline the information you need to know. Then, review each book chapter. After you've read the chapters, complete the exercises in the workbook that you can download from online. Answer the practice exam questions in the back of the workbook. If you follow these steps and get the answers correct in the workbook, you should be ready for the exam. Contact your county agricultural commissioner to find out when the next exams will be given, and be sure to fill out the application forms before the deadline. To prepare for the exam, you'll need to learn about many different topics. The study guide and workbook are divided into 6 chapters that cover these topics: pesticide laws and regulations, pests and problem diagnosis, integrated pest management, pesticides and their hazards, protecting people, the environment, and handling emergencies, and selection and use of application equipment. This narrated training program also follows this outline with 6 sections in addition to this introduction and includes most of the information you need to know. This course was prepared by the University of California statewide IPM program in cooperation with the California Department of Pesticide Regulation. Please go to our special website for maintenance gardener pesticide applicators at www.ipm.ucdavis.edu/category Q. This website contains additional study materials to help you prepare for the exam and also includes the workbook, which you can download for free.